so not a catastrophic failure, but a failure nonetheless. These pieces right here, I did not build any tabs in to my wheels when I was doing the carve. So what happened was, made it safely through the first one because my blue planer's tape was good and adhered to this piece. When I got over here, it didn't, this board is a little warped and it didn't make full contact with my spoil board. So this piece got thrown up after the wheel was done and being cut, and the bit tried to move, and this piece went up like this or something like that, and you can kind of see where it chunked out, and then I had to stop it because, well, I didn't want to break a bit, bend a bit, send this piece flying into the machine. I don't know. But $10 test, fail. We're gonna readdress it in the morning.